Edohia wabedene. Edohia wabedene. Itu edohia fefefe. Edo di rowa kebedo di risi. Era kebiyi etani piatani ko. Wayabedene o. Wabowie. Wabava. Wabuta. Eke nwadigaye. Itatu wahia o. Do wahiabi eh. De gbera wa. De wa man. De go de man. Egbera mohia. De mohia Yesuku dia wevi. Meten ni peteni ko dia be hu na be de agbe. De ya me ni ayobomu. De gbera wa. Ma be Sukuku na. Na de ni Yesuku se. Ba do to do. Ora ri de. No okedo. Abe pon salaba na here dagmu ma do said there. What you tell you do with your hotel? Ni ada he agbon. O ka re do ke makede. E won na ma ke do kede e ke do ye. Won na ma ke do ye be ke do ye. Wa ya diere ari va to ta udo. Wa bo kian o. E yo man magbawe lo e yo lo re. Nya ma re ye. What you ro. O ga ri dun jo sa do ya sun o. No nyama sadobwa udazi no yagbon kewi mapon won o marowe o wo sadobwa wo pa no o ma pe won ri yobo nu we wo nyan ya fe wo yagbon na bu no yebe yo na yebe yo etiwen maji etiwen managa owu we bana be yo na so mana be lo bi na so mana be yo ro ge na apa we ma mu yo saloba no wo do ma be ri bado tie edo na bo wa ma do to ge do na wo wa o ka ri don gbe ra no uwo ka na mana awo wani makin uwe kin makin mana kin magidi salubano wodo out ya nwa yen ni ma o gimaya on sayo gimaya on o de no ma ebi no ma gba de na wu no ma no gbera yi ma so do an ma we no gba la rupa yo de wa o ma kin bebi ri yo bona do ma yin ave ni Jesus Christ no nyama is oya we is ani ha oye tuta bo wa odo Jackson Charles oboka o we do mon koyo la mogun oyi ogie roba obi agwa koyo Jackson Charles ihodin ya wewe o watan ogun kare o Boy, this is an announcement. I want every one of us to look at this announcement. It's an announcement. Okay, there will be a second enablement commission in Benin City, Nigeria. We had the first enablement commission on July 24 this year. So this time around on December 18, that's tomorrow, we're going to have another enablement commission. What is an enablement commission? An enablement commission is a commission whereby we enable people to do what they want to do with their lives, to go and do business, to go and trade, to go and work. So we as a church, we take it upon ourselves to helping our people who are not employed and those who are unemployable. Okay, people who are not employed and they are unemployable, we give them training, the training that they like. Hello, we give them training, the training that they like. After the training, we enable them. We enable them by buying, we buy and purchase all the materials they need to go and trade, to go and practice what they already learned. If they learn to be a mechanic, we'll give them whatever they need to be a mechanic. You hear me? If they want to be a trader, whatever trade, we'll give them whatever they need to be a trader, to be traders. You see what I mean? So we don't put money in their hands, but we buy for them all the equipment that they need, no matter what it costs. So this is what we took upon ourselves, the Bishop Stephen Nagawa Ministry, as well as our church, All Saints Christian Assembly. It's going to happen tomorrow by the grace of God at the Victory Baptist Church in Baptist High School compound. Victory Baptist Church, Baptist High School compound. That's where it's going to happen. By the grace of God, 11 o'clock in the morning. So you are all invited. You're all invited. But when I we look for give an everything. If so never winner, never win boy, ever kinodo. Man, I would not see in my winner. You will not know, yeah, my asayo. Akwa you know, if I'm a video, not my winner, my senior cuckoo. Even near Igualo, now I am winning when I near away. My idol, my fionia. Even near Igualo, I are drinking near away. My idol, even in my view, near my Yahweh. Akwedon. I can't be where you okay, no give him Puna. Akwe by we Pogiva. What do go? It's also not the way Baptist High School, but open television, TV road. If I know, I'll go where. We here at you. What do he be from? What do they have young? Yeah, so do. Now, guy butter. Na you. Yanika ban yereko. What so I didn't know it to tabodo. What was anyone what you had the ado? Ibota! Okay, Edo. Ibota! Okay, Edo. What do the Ibota? Oh, Edo, what did that do the Ibota? Okay, the Bema, a Madota. Do ya walare o. Walare o. Awetima na wiere. Bre wa o. Otima were na party o sunde. Koyo. You know, what be the what's the Otima? Otima were get Magdalene no give you. Obukia. Okay, Obukia. Koyo wiedo. Koyo. What's so? Walare o. Don't talk do. Our viewers, we welcome you to our scene of today. Today is a continuation or conclusion of Edo history. Edo history of Ogiso dynasty of Igodomingodo. Edo history of Ogiso dynasty in Igodomingodo. That is in Benin City. Okay, we have been tracing this for about 6 weeks now. So today we are putting the finishing touch to Ogiso dynasty. The history of Ogiso dynasty. It's a good thing, though. It's a very good thing. We thank God for that. Even Mauna, or even if you do so, no be gbon you talk. Okay, do na nakana. If you do ya ki yan be gbon you talk. Yeah, igual que ni gbon ni ayi. Ni ma we ya ronda. Obo kan me ki me ma o ka tebe di o ge bi don sunu be go so. If you do so no gbon ni na ya fe you talk. Iwo ni mo ma wa. Edo history. Enia EdoAffairs.com. EdoAffairs.com. They are the original owners of this information. EdoAffairs.com. I wrote it somewhere. I wanted to show it to all of us. So it is my studying of their books that I got all this information. I'm not an old man yet. So I wouldn't have known all this history, but for them. So we thank God for them. Very authentic writing. And I'm very glad that I stumbled on it. Our own father, Oba Ejawa, he also wrote concerning Ogiso history. Yes. But most of what I'm bringing to us now, all these 5 weeks, 6 weeks, they're from EdoAffairs.com. So we thank God for those people who have taken the time to document all of these facts. Okedo, Oge Ogisobe Igodomigodo. Okedo Ogisobe Igodomigodo. Wala ala going tam yana nya we yana don't want rebel. Awe governor, awe commissioner. Okedo na aga ma bi ma ebe esuku. Okedo na ma ebi ma ebe owiwere. Aja mi ewi bi edo ma okedo. Ekwe no ema ma oka bo ma ema tie abama yo. Wagimawe rie nya gbe ma to bi ba gbe mwe la dia na ma ewi edo okedo. Ohona na ata na na do ka ewi edo so ma ema oka na ata we na. Okay o. Okedo Ogiso Bigodo. We have been following this for a long time. So today we are going to put the finishing touch to Ogiso dynasty, the big dynasty of 31 kings. Oh, it's a big one. 31 kings, one reign after another. Like we said at the beginning, it's like from the creation of the world. Oh, from Ogiso Igodo. So we are now at the tail end of it. Look at it. We are now on the 29th Ogiso. And this is Ogiso Obioye. Ogiso Obioye. Obioye in Benin word, it means plenty of money. Plenty of money. Specific kind of money. Ogiso Obioye. So one Ogiso was buried that you will see it just now. Why? Ogiso Obioye, you see the time he reigned. He reigned 967 to 1012, long time ago. He was the 29th Ogiso. That's Ogiso number 29. Oh, what? We'll be counting and counting and counting. This is the 29th Ogiso. Okay. He was a resourceful king. He was a king who knew how to go about doing things. If you want to do something, a ceremony or a seminar or a festival, and you don't know how to go about it, he would sit you down and tell you, go here, go there, put this and that together, and you will see what you want. Resourceful. His son wasn't that kind of king who said, okay, well, let's forget about it. No. He was the kind of man who will always make sure something is done, but he will show you how to go about it. Resourceful. That's a gift that all of us need. We need to be resourceful. We need to be able to find answers to our problems. We need to be able to know how to do things. We should not be crying around or folding our hands or blaming Lakbawa. He was a resourceful king. He started the use of cowries as currency. What? Ogiso Obioye, he started the use of cowrie as currency. So in the Edo culture, we use cowries. You know cowries? I don't have any here. But cowries, you know them. Okay? Those are the things that our grandparents used for money. So Ogiso Obioye, he was the one that he started it. That's why we see Igo Obioye, money of Obioye. You see, Igo Obioye. You see now? He started that. So let us be resourceful. He was resourceful. They began to use cowrie for currency. How much do you buy a wristwatch or a ring? You pay with cowries. Isn't that wonderful? So we give him hand. We give him hand for starting the use of cowrie as currency. Unfortunately, there were problems during his time. He wasn't the cause, though. Ogiso Obioye was not the cause of the problem. Number one, there were fire outbreaks in the kingdom of Ighodalo. Fire outbreaks. Nowadays, we hear about fire outbreaks. So it did not start now. So the fire will start in one place and spread to another, and spread to another, from house to house to house, or public places. Unfortunately, his time is suffer from that. You know, at that time, they didn't have fire brigade. So nowadays, when you hear about fire, you call fire brigade, huh? And then they come, wah, 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 wah. Then they come. They bring water and begin to spray on the house or the building. But in those days, there was nothing like that. The people would come and help as much as they could. So there were fire outbreaks here and there. Okay? And then there was inflation. Inflation. That is the price of buying things, anything at all. The price doubled. Inflation. And you know, this man has already started the use of cowries. So if you don't have cowries now, you cannot buy anything. You see it? So those who had small money, they could not buy much things. Everything became inflated, became expensive. You know, human beings, when they see money, it's something else. So something that was supposed to be a blessing became like a problem. There was inflation in the land. What they used to buy corn, they used to buy for a couple. No. You have to have 3 pence. It all to be able to buy the corn. There was inflation. Above all, there was food shortage, food scarcity. See, maybe there was no rain. You know, our Benin people, they were very strong farmers. So in his own case, there was food shortage. I believe this was because of famine. There was no rain. So when there's no rain, when you plant in the farms, it doesn't do well. The harvest becomes very little. So the people suffered food shortage. And so there was hunger in the land, food scarcity. Then there was immigration. Immigration. Some people could not stand the hunger. Some people could not stand the hunger. So what did they do? They moved away from Ighodalo. They moved away. Truly, people have moved away from Ighodalo from ancient times. They moved to other places. We're not told those who moved away, but we know that there have been migration, serious migration from Ighodalo to other places. So if you live in a far away region, you know, your ancestors probably moved away from Ighodalo. You see what I mean? So people don't want to stand suffering. So they moved away. That is about Ogiso Obioye. He started the Obioye money matter. A resourceful king. Let's move on. Canada ade abogiso ka yamata. O ka ogiso igodo aya so wan. Eni odo kan oigodo bigodo. Iso igodo. Iso akere. Egbanedo do man kedo. O wan pataki e ma ki o sa bo wa mo bo yi manedo. Ogiso obioye oriso egbe. Yoga ogiso no ge okparo ogban. Ogiso no ge okparo ogban. Wadega e. Okparo ogban yen ki o. Owo eva eha ene isen iyan igbe ekesugie ugie isen yangie eyangie okparo ogban. Ogiso obioye wa mo we man do tie obioye wa bi na guti obioye ba obioye ogiso para ogba oge no we o eyan ki o oge no we o e wa ya fu e o oge na ke wa fu e o ebi ke da ya wu agba no we ba ya we he David de ka na we de ba ya we he yen iriwe ni atuta owe de atuta gude mayan we we de no la we de na wa we do ebi na ya we bo we oro owu wa yo na ba na ni wa to yoyo o wa ta mi han ya ba we na ta ebi ni wa gba odo ogiso don fu e o okay iwe o okay ke ma na de bi do we o awe si ma ya we o awe ji ma ya we o ebi kere arubo ya me na dolo yi he ebi kere agu ya ebe na ya mu an he no ge ya we bi okay ke ni that do we o de gbe na we o agbona ege give bo be ye do adu ki legama ye ya we o de gbe ya igo do ma ya se kuku ye gba ya kun ma na do ba be we o ba ki ma be we o obi oye do we o ogiso obi oye do we o na we so ba be ba ki ma be we o na bi e bo be ge do di ma o ke gbe ado opedicate wa bu bi tai ogun we ni ma ni bi do be we o ogiso obi oye to we o e o ge ma ta no ge ni o ba fo oye ipigo kien igo no yigo kien igo o te se go aba yi ipigo de mi yo yipigo kien igo yo yipigo do yo ale na mi igo gi no ipigo wa ya ipigo iba te pole yo pole re ona iwo ma ke ba pa ipigo ahe ya de mi awo ya na ya ro o ye na ya ro o ye de mi inu ipigo no ya doctor ebo ma mo ni pa ko ba de do oh oh pa ko ba de do ebo be mo ni there ebo be mamba ni ya wa bege ana kata bango o wa we ogele wa we mata ebi na te filo kwa na de kin na ya de mi do na ya na me na e ma na tie igo owo bi oye you see ebi na ma obode agi won ni ana ikin na ya we bi oyigo owo bi oye we sigo koko ona abun obo we aga o dan we igo bi oye no owo do de go na wa di go la na ya do igo ba gba yo yan mu akin yo na igo bi oye aya do obun asikoko a lo fo akemi on igo bi oye e no sunu be go no ma be man o datana okwere na wa sunu we oyigodo bingodo Okwena. Dete man ba we o manga o. So da ba do en ya we man so wa ba mu en yo wa. Where I was so ha. O ha. Egu yun ni ba so ba mu en yo ha. No ba so no se sitaba. No se siga. Na ase ne na wa fie uwe piku. Ya o se re o ya bagbela. Salobwa wa. Mana we gbe video. Salobwa bege. Even if FIFA ni all of children, all those who are ba don't give her. Oh ya gyun gbe maso. Oh ya gyun gbo rede so. Oh ya gyun gbe koko. Oh ya gyun gbe nya. Vini ni kere no pa mu fo. Irena la do igodo. Oh, so amen. Ni ati fa brigade o da tie wo don do gwa de yo. Look over. Ebi ya fe na iwa de ola ki aganga. De aganga. Ebi ya na ki aganga. Begu ki aganga. Fun di wo na ya de ni. We managbon. Ma emi no ma e ma do atiantia. Igo na ade mi e ma ya mo pigo na kaba e ma ya mo Uma ya mo no bun ai shin anwe. Uma ya mo no bun ai sho gede nwe. Uma ya mo no bun ai ku mu nwe. Uma ya mo no bun bedio. Ebi je na do aga. Ai mi na je mi na ma. Oh. Ukumu na do afi. Ukumu na ona do afi. Ukumu no fi na rebo. Ukumu no fi. Iwa ma po wo wa ga me ma ro po ni wi no keke. Iwa na ki e ma po ma bu weki. Ukumu na do afi. Wo isunu. Ebo na gale. We managbo. Ya tedi tota ye ke na mi na logo. Ale ari ke na mi na kwere. Ebo dan so ale be godo. Ale ri ebo be. Ebe yan do gbe lede dan. Edo. Iwe ba yan do gbe lede. E ti go ire edo. E ti ba ire do na lede na wa ne awe bi yan igwa lo. Bi yan do wa ne. Waka meso di an gbe ade ekini akere. Ebe yan very edegbegbe. Awo asedo abikela. Ni aka lepa. Let's move on. Ogiso, another one. Ogiso Arigo. Look at the time it rained. This was the 30th Ogiso. The 30th Ogiso. I didn't write it there. It was the 30th Ogiso. Okay, Ogiso Obioye was the 29th. But Ogiso Arigo is the 30th. Arigo means money chopper. Money chopper, they chop money. Ogiso Arigo. 10-12 to 10-59. It was the 30th Ogiso. He was a great merchant. Okay? He was a great merchant. This one know how to trade. Was a good trader. He knew how to put it together and to sell to other people outside of Igodo. Was a good businessman. See, our ancestors, they knew how to do things. We should also think like them. We cannot fold our hands. Lie. It's forbidden. You get it? He was a great merchant. All right. He started a bank. Hey! Do you see it? He started a bank. Oh, come on. In the years 1012 to 1059, between that time, there was a bank in Edo, in Igodo. Clap for Edo! was the first bank in the whole of Africa. You hear me? If you are hearing me, say yes, sir. Clap for the day. Hey, 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 hey. As early as 10th century, there was a bank in Igbodo. That's not all. He started slave labor culture. He introduced the slave labor culture into Igbodo. Slave labor culture into Igbodo. You know why? Okay, because now we are trading with money. Okay, people who could not, we said it just now, there was inflation. People who could not buy things, they had to be subjected to labor, forced labor. You see what I mean? Okay, if you want to do a Christmas, assuming you want to do a festival, and you need to buy a goat, but you don't have money to buy a goat, so you can buy a goat on credit. If you cannot pay, you come and serve the person, the owner of the goat. Come and serve the person in his house. You come and stay in his house and serve him as a servant. And labor for him. You go to the farm to work in the farm. Maybe for a whole year. Because things were very expensive in those days. Maybe you will serve him for a whole year. Or 6 months or whatever. It's like labor, slave labor. For those who could not pay. If you want to marry a beautiful girl, it's okay. You can marry a beautiful girl, but you come and serve the father and the mother for 3 months. You go and work in their farm every day. You see it? If you want to buy beautiful clothes, okay. They sell it to you. If you don't pay, you go and sell the owner the clothes. Who sold the clothes to you? Slave labor was started by him. You see it? Started the slave labor, slavery. In Igbodo. Oh! Coco. Let's move on. No, you say, Ogiso Arigo. Ogiso Arigo. Guy. Onorigo Arigo. That's all I'm going to okay. Ogiso Arigo. Ogiso no boge ogban. Eyan ki o. Boge ogban. Eyan. I say kaka boge ogban na o. Odweki no kwa. Eyan ki o. Odweki no kwa. Ogiso no o adweki. O adweki. O agme eri ye bo be ya kin. O mo eri bo be adeke bo be na be da mi debe do. Be go. O no odweki no kwa. Mami e ki dan do na gba boy ya re. Ima waka won koto ade. Tele. No wa kwa adweki. En ma iye na ye do wa be gwa adweki. Why adweki? Mami e biye bo be do adweki. Wa be adweki adwo. We be mo gba ni ambo o we be mase. Mudia na we be mase. Koyo. Ami na ja adweki. Muha. Odweki no kwa yen ga ki o. Osun aza. Oyigo. Ogiso Arigo. Osun aza Origo. Na ite bank. Hey. What's the second? I'm a bank. I'm a Zigo. Upena so. Wakobone. Hey. Wakobone do. Hey. Wakobone do. Na kana ebuma ewu ya Africa ye. Edo me Azigo na a bank. Ebo ya be ni awu so pa manedo maka ya na gbe mai bokere maka ya na gbe mai bokere ata mo ma be we ege na e bank redo o wa mo manedo so Ogiso Arigo Oswen bank yo Azigo Oswen e vient na lo be Igbodo Oswen e vient na lo be Igbodo ama vient au autre de ça là Mami, egata banwe, ama emi, igu banse ya adevi, igu agilo. Even no devi, o masa ti ha, yana do a ovien, no, ani agu devi. Ana do ami ovien, no do govern, no govern a low. Oba de, when a way, oba high, I will tell you to. Oh, what do go, no nya wedding, do go and nya will go, but so clever. What let you go? What fear no what bonnet? Who that way no moon yas I say, or beside no more with no moon, near with you. You have no idea what you go, oh, do young moon and they don't know no yamo, people, oh, quick back pay her. Yeah, we Bible. Oh, you know, viens. If I écris là, you know. Et yo wallon. Non soin on doit bien vient. Bravo. Mikodo. Let's move on. Now we come to very important one. This is the last one. This is the last one. This is Ogiso Owodo. Ogiso Owodo, he reigned in the kingdom of Igodo at 1059 to 1100 Christian era. 1059 to 1100 Christian era. Ogiso Owodo. He was the 31st Ogiso in Igodo, and he was also the last Ogiso. Huh? You get that? He was the 31st Ogiso, and he was the last Ogiso in the dynasty of Ogiso in Igodo. You see it? This is history. That means this was a very important Ogiso. Very important. Okay. When he came to be the Ogiso, that's the king of the land, what did he do? He freed the slaves. He freed the slaves. I told you that some people were being used as slaves, those who could not pay for what they bought, whether it be land or farmland or seed yams or domestic animals. If they couldn't pay, they were used as slaves. But when this Ogiso came to reign, he freed the slaves. Woo! Nobody should use a man, any human being, as a slave. Oh, we thank God for Ogiso Owodo. He freed them, let them go free. If they cannot buy, let them not buy. So you don't make yourself a slave. If you cannot buy something, stop, don't buy it. Okay? Until you have the money to buy it. You hear me? Whether it be land or car or anything, collect money before you buy it. Don't make yourself a slave. So this king said there should be no slavery in the land. And there was no slavery in the land. He abolished it. He freed the slaves. That's not all. There was a dinosaur. That animal that looked is a long animal, but very rare to find. At that time, there was one in Igodo. And that dinosaur was killing people, was swallowing people. People got missing. And they found that it was a dinosaur. So they didn't know how to deal with a dinosaur. And a dinosaur is not a small animal. It's not a small animal. At that time, we didn't have rifles, guns, rifles. So they tried to kill this dinosaur, but they couldn't kill the dinosaur. And he was killing human beings. That was a big problem in Igodo. So this Ogiso Owodo, he couldn't deal with it. He himself couldn't send people to hunters to go kill the dinosaur. So in the land there was threat. People were afraid for their lives, and because this Ogiso Owodo couldn't do it, people looked at him as a weak Ogiso, but he wasn't really weak. But the animal was very rare to find. And we don't see it nowadays, though. Okay? All right. There was a man called Evian. Evian was the man who was able to kill the dinosaur. He was a man with some extra strength, and he was gifted hunter. All other people ran away. He killed the dinosaur. I don't have the details of how he killed it, but he did. Evian. He was an adult man, a big man. He was like a chief already. But when he did it, he became a renowned chief. You know, a renowned chief in the land. Hello? But this Owodo, the last Ogiso, he had one son. Hello? He had one son. And the name of that son is Ekaladeran. Ekaladeran. What did I say is the name of the son? Ekaladeran. Ekaladeran. The only one son, the lone son of the Ogiso. That was a serious thing. Ogiso had many wives, as you would expect. He had a big harem, but he didn't have any. He had only one child, Ekaladeran. It's a long story. She was very desperate to have other children. Very desperate. As a matter of fact, he took action. They sent emissaries. They sent some people to go and find out from the oracles. The oracles, you know oracle, people who play oracle, to find out what the problem is. They went to find out. The story is that there was one Amebo. Amebo is the favorite wife. Her name was Esago. Esago. She did not have any child herself. She was one of those women who didn't have any children. So, she knew that her time had passed. She was very envious of this one son, Ekaladeran. So, those messengers who went to play the oracle, so she sent another message to meet them on the way. They found out that there was a sacrifice to be made and so on and so forth. He told them to change the story. So it's a mutiny. It's a mutiny. She and her clique, they changed the story. When they got home, they asked what the oracle had said. They changed the story. And the story they gave to the Ogiso was that the oracle says that they should use his only son, the Ekaladeran, for sacrifice. And that unless they do that, he himself, Ogiso, we don't get other children. So he needed to make sacrifice with the Ekaladeran so that they will have other children. That's the oracle. And in Benin, in those days, and even now, they respect oracle. That the oracle has spoken. Hey! To use his only son as sacrifice. Hey! Ogiso Owodo didn't know what to do. He talked with his advisors. They said, well, the oracle spoke. You cannot dispute with the oracle. But it was a mutiny. At last he agreed that the son, the Ekaladeran, could be used for sacrifice. They led the party that was supposed to carry out the sacrifice. They led the Ekaladeran away. Said bye-bye to his father. He led him away out of the territory of Igbo. Led him into the jungle. When they got into the far jungle, after a whole day journey or so, something like that, they sat down and they thought, this is the only son of Ogiso. If we use him for sacrifice, and Ogiso doesn't have any other child, then what will happen? And in the kingdom, there was this system of primogeniture. That is to say, the son of the king will become a king. The crown prince will become the king. They said, no, let's don't kill him. Let's don't kill him. They caught an animal in the jungle, and they killed that animal and used the blood to rub their cutlass, their machete. And they brought the machete. They let Ikaradin to go into the jungle. Let him go. He was banished. So they brought the cutlass home with the blood on it, and they showed it to Ogiso Owodo. And they said, it has been done. Mission accomplished. So Owodo cried. Woo! So something he could do. He took it like that, like a man. And behold, he did not have another child. Because in the first place, that's not what Oracle said. It was a deceit. He did not have another child. Time came for him to pass on. He passed on without a child. That became a problem in the kingdom of Igbo. So Evian, who killed the dinosaur, Evian, he became the leader of the land, the chief priest. He was the chief. And everybody adhered to him. They loved him. They followed him because he killed a popular man. He killed the dinosaur, which was killing human beings. So, Ekaladera wandered in the jungle for how many weeks we don't know, how many years, how many months we don't know. He went from place to place. He came out of other villages. One particular village he came out from came out of Uhe, U-H-E. Uhe. Very far in Ofia local government area, very far, going towards the Yoruba land. So that is one of the villages he came out of. History tells us that he even went to Ugoton, far away. But at the end, he came back to Ile-Ife. And I believe Ile-Ife is what he said as Uhe. He came there and settled down. And as the son of the king, he was blessed. He was blessed with spiritual gifts. God blessed him with spiritual gifts. Any problem at all, he could tell the answer to it, solution to it. He knew how to use the herbs for herbal cure, for pregnant women or for children who were suffering from a convulsion, or what to cure sores and ulcers, or stomach pain. You know what I mean? He knew all those things. God bless him. We have what we call spiritual gift. He was gifted. And as long as he was doing this thing, people clapped to him. They clapped to him. People came. Before you know it, the Ile-Ife became filled up of people. He became known and popular. He knew the names of the birds. He knew the names of the animals. He could tell stories. In the evening, people would sit down on the ground. He would tell them stories. All the stories he learned at home, being the son of Ogiso. Above all, listen to this. Above all, he told them that he was the son of Ogiso, and that in Ikoto, where he came from, there was a dynasty. His father was one Ogiso dynasty. He came out of Ogiso dynasty, and that Ogiso dynasty ran back to Ogiso Igodo. And Ogiso means the king from the sky. Ogiso means the king from the sky. Hello? You hear this? Ogiso, he came from the sky. He told them the story. And they heard, they believed it. And they told the story to other people. They told the story to other people. That is why you hear that the Benin people, the Yoruba people in the Ile-Ife, they say that their father was Oduduwa. Ogiso, Ikaladena, the son of Ogiso Owodo, was the one who told them this story. And the Yoruba will tell you that their founder came from the sky. You have never heard that? That the founder of the Yoruba nation came from the sky. And this man assumed the name Idoduwa. Idoduwa means I have stumbled on wealth. I have stumbled on life. He actually stumbled on life. He actually stumbled on life. It was supposed to be used for sacrifice. It was supposed to be banished. But he came to a place where he became known and became a ruler. And people followed him without hesitation because he was a gifted man. So that controversy is still alive today. As I'm speaking now, some people are hearing me. The controversy is still there, but the truth is there. The truth cannot be hidden. A Canada now landed in Ile-Ife, where he became known, and he told them that he is the son of Ogiso, the king from the sky. And that is what they cited. They cited the story over there till today. That the father of the place came from the sky. And he has used the name Idoduwa. And you hear our people, I call them our people because they're really our people. In Ile-Ife, they also talk about Oduduwa. Have you not heard that? Oduduwa. Don't they sound like the same? Yeah. It's not difficult to put together. Simple mathematics. Idoduwa. Ogeiso. Our father came from the sky. And Benin people say, Ogeiso from the sky. The king from the sky. What is the difference? I don't know why people cannot understand this. What is the difference? Give hand to Ikaladena. That is where he stayed and passed on. Later on, when the Edo people were looking for who will become Ogiso, they couldn't find because Owodo his father didn't have another son. So they said it was then the people who banished Ikaladena into the jungle. It was then they told them that, look, listen. They did not kill Ikaladena. He's not dead though. Let's go and look for him. So they sent messengers to go look for him. Is this difficult to understand? I'm asking you, all learned people, those historians, those mathematicians, those graduates, is this difficult to understand? What is difficult in this? So the messengers were looking for him from village to village. They told them, wherever they landed, they asked questions. They told them, yeah, he was here. He came here, but that's about over 20 years ago. Then he went for that so place. Some people said they saw him in Uwoton. They traced him and found him in that Ile-Ife. They greeted him, he greeted them. They were glad to speak Benin together. And they told him their mission, that his father was late, and they wanted him to come back and be made the Ogiso of the land. So he was old though. So he said, Idoduwa, I stumbled on life. He's not go back to Benin. He don't go back to Domingo. Instead, he sent his son, Oraminya. And we are told that the real name is Omononya. The first son, Omononya. He was a child who was like spoiled because the father gave him extra care, being the son born in the foreign land. Omononya. So he sent Omononya, Oraminya, to Benin to go with the messengers, and they brought him to Benin to be Ogiso. Oraminya. And he was in Benin, but he didn't understand the Edo language. He didn't understand. He tried. So people have quarrel and so on. They come to the palace for him to judge. He didn't understand. He saw people, he just looked at them as quarrelsome people. So he decided to return back home. And he did. On his way back home, no bicycle, no motor. That time you trek. He and his entourage, they left Igodo. And they came to that village called Use. Use is very close to Benin. That was all they could walk that day. When they got to Use, it was evening time. So he stayed there that night. They stayed there that night. But he saw one beautiful lady. Her name was Ehimide. His eye was on the lady. He took that lady and he slept with that lady. You see how nature works, how divinity works. And he impregnated that lady. Just that one night stand. He went, and the lady gave birth to a baby. But the baby was still. The baby did not talk. He did not cry. He sent a message to him. He told them not to worry. He was in Ile-Ife now. So the child grew and grew and grew, became about 5-7 years old. He was still not talking. So he sent them a message. I'm summarizing. The story is deeper than this. He sent them a message and gave the people a kernel to give to the son, a kernel. And he took that kernel and brought it to Use. And gave that kernel to the son. That kernel was cooked, incubated. The herbal medicine, by herbal concussion. The young boy was having that kernel, was playing with it. So one day, they came out doing bowling. In Benin land those days, we do bowling in the evenings. You put your what is it called? Your species on the ground, line them up, and you have two groups. One group this way, one group that way, and people begin to throw their piece of cowrie to see who will knock the cowries of the other group. They did that and remained one. Even as much as they tried, they could not break that one. But this young boy, he could not talk. So he was saying, he could break that one. Oh, he could break that one. He was not talking. He was saying, They said, what is he trying to say? He said, he's going to be able to break it. He will catch it. So they said, let him do it. So he took that. He remembered that kernel. He took it, that one. And then he stood back. He stood back and he looked at it. And then he threw that one kernel. And that kernel went and he hit the target. Bah! The whole people accelerated. Hey! Then he spoke. And he said, Owomika. What is Owomika? My hand has killed it. My hand has killed it. That's a Yoruba word. So his nickname became Owomika. That is what we Edo changed to Eweka. So he was eventually made a king, crowned the king in Benin, in the Ogigodo. Between his grandfather, Ogodo, to Ekaladina, his father in Ile-Ife, to him was about a whole 100 years, or what was it? A long time, many years. Yes. But he was crowned king by Eweka, beginning the second dynasty called Eweka dynasty. This story is much deeper than this, oh. I cannot tell it all. Not today. Let us ask our Edo fathers and Edo mothers. They will tell you better. But the truth is the truth. Even if you try to obliterate the truth, if you try to change it, it remains the truth. Hello? So it's a good down kick him out. Okay, so Owodo. Ogiso Owodo. Ogiso Owodo. Gẹ́gẹ́ náà yá di ege. Ogiso Ọ̀páyà ọgbọ̀n. Ogiso Ọ̀páyà ọgbọ̀n. Ogiso Ọ̀páyà ọgbọ̀n. Ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀fín. Yọ̀bẹ̀ Ogiso Nókèké. Ogiso Nókèké. Wọ́n yí gbèrè ayé àmà yín mi Ogiso. Ẹ má ta èdè ọ̀wà náà. Ogiso náà wù ìrẹ̀ dùn. Oh! Bọ́ọ̀gì wú lókà ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀nà fan evien kwa. Ọ̀nà fan evien kwa. Makata gbanwe evien na do arebo emi no ma tin asa. No ma tin di okwo. No ma tin ya do ago e wa no nya okwo na jamo na ago wa no nya we ni adekwe. Eyin na arofie. Ami ofie ja mi amfi bodokwa. Ogiso na Owodo na ọ̀nà fan ya kwa. O da ya ma wo fie. Ya. Ah we ho bia. But you know, if you might say the way you ain't have it, you might do the one you ain't have it, and then I wolf you. And I'm funny, Aqua. I wolf you. I am if you. Cool. Of an avian quo. Also gone. O Maggie Agbe. Also gone, Maggie Agbe. I'm a partner road at you, also gone. Also Ghana, àwọn Ghana ọwọ́ tán wọ àkọ́ẹ́ ọyẹ́ bí yìí sẹ́ ònú ọ̀rẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ dùbà ọ̀rẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ àtàlàgbà ọ̀rẹ́ akóhọ́ aládìá ọ̀dọ̀ amúnẹ̀ wà lágbọ̀n ọ̀rẹ́ agbélé wà lágbọ̀n mí gòdò. Eva so mion yan do ka we ye ni na wa mion. O ye otan wo imami photo e ya more. O wa tan wo wa mi kan ro nu. E bo ya tan ale. Aba mi osisi ya gbe. O pe apa no we gbe mi. Ati vian. Ona wi agbe. Ogiso Owodo ma se tin gbe. Ọba se tin se e wo koko dan gba le bi na ya gbo o so gan he. So pon e fi na wi agbe ogele gbe. Ogiso ke ga ma omopa o ga me e kala de na ati e. Ma ya si won ni. Kala de ri no bi Ogiso. Kaladiri, no Ogiso. Fendira, le logie, ma bome. Fendira, le logie, ya beg bonde, le logie, ogie ma bome. Kaladira, kaladiri, kaladira. On est mon pas dans la main. Okay, so what do I take a man who no boom? I take a man who no boom. Opa mi and I'm a born out here. It's sorrow. I'm going to boot to come, might be among the. You know, when I'm a book bomb packet and okay, so woman. Not the ha. Not give what the ha. esa go ye na gi ye ti bia ye hina wan aja ni wuda ado bihari awuna ado wi na awo agelewe ikwoni ke ikwone no yi setin bia ye do abiele ye no ye momo ana we egba esa ye gba ona gi hu ya gba ke e mana ge hu de eri ye ka ye na mebo eri ke mi na rita biya na e ha ka e wa bonifo waka mi agwe ha we na ye e kala de na omo pa no gi so me na ya jese ege ogisu oye momo yan isuwa na me botani eyan ya niyan wo na ye kala de na jese owo do na we won ta won ta bobo pa ni yan ya wi ha ta ugbe wi ha ta ugbe ya ka we mi ha ta yana wi ha ta be rio ha ta aga we mi ka ta o wi ze we na wo ma yen sa ti sim ma na ye ha obo na me kala de ha na ge abe odion wa na me kala de ha na mo la wo ha na ya ze se na mi ze kan bo ha kan na do 2000 we ya o mu po pa kan o giso ya ze se na we I woni agbe o yana gwale uzo gwale bibu mi wo kwa yana be yana yisa gwen ya wopia yana se la kala de yana wo kia no wa kia e go dieke ona gede wa kia wegbo yana da bo owo do ade yana mo pia la yana we oboke na o isa gen ropia ogi so owo do wo na bi gbe wo ene sa go uniki emi na aze se be do eniki o emi na yo ogiso wodo wu ina aze se we don logo wa edu kepa bana ogite a ti bi ku gwe ori gba owodo to bo ojegbeyi oyegbeyi the Canada na so wo kan ona ala de wo he le bu na ti wo he o ke ba pa na me ari ebo be e so wo se bu na ti e wo ton aya mi wo ibudo o ke ke de na we gbe adi wo he no ye ile ife ona do tota iba na kana evian papa na ti evian o ka na o evian no ka ona do gbe o so gan na ma ti gbe evian na do gbe ebo ya na do verb we evian ade na do akpe ne no wan no o ka no o ti se bu kokko mi e bu fan o mi e do fan o mi go do fan na wa ho e won kakabo kala de na ya da mi le ife bu do kala de na ya la de mi le ife o do ki en do wa be ile ife do wa o ri so do o na we yen obi ogi so yan fin na ta mi a o wa en mi ya da obi ogi o sa ba wa yi mi we o won hun o akolebe o ya we mi iku na ma bia o wu hun ni ya iku da we da bia be wu hun ni na ya bia se bedio o ma na kun mi o atemi no we o pale ri o we o yo mu hun ni a egbe iran ya o do to ha o ga gbon na o wa en ni aba ga na ya do ro ha o wa en ni abe aya mi ni riso ni na bo da o wa eka e bo na do vere eke ni ye na do ko pebo o na ta mi awe obi ogiso yan kin e bu ya ogiso o ogibo ogi ori so isokere e mata ara we ejo wa no wa ni e ti awe ti ma ya kin abi yoba ai na awe wa ile ife wa ye we wa ya se ba yo we ni awe odudu wa owi so kere ododo a owi so iso kere eri ata ya we gbo yoto iye mata eri yo wa no eri ata mo e mata ni owe kala de na oto ka ni ya ito do ni bo abizu bo ni bo na piku gwe e kala de na ka mi awe ori ye iso kere ogi ori so egede owodo ye iya ye gbeyi ana ya gbale ona do ri ogiso amaye bien odi onwa ya na do ka we e kana de na mama gbe amagbe wa ọdún wagbon e mata ana do zewo na ya gbalo ni na gbalo ebo ni ari so gba mi o ma wi yan na odi pugi no gbera so da we mata no otuta e won le uki opa ona we pa omu da bonu pa ya bi le be se yen la video ya do mi obe Ilé Ifẹ̀ ori oba re baba ori vioko ori biele yana we do yan wa dedo yen wa zedo oko ira mi gidaka yana do gbon ona ni ra yan ka ma ira ye gbe yin na ari gwale na ori ogiso ana we na do gwala were awe na do gwale yan yana we you do ye do wa idodu wa ye te wi ye do wa agbon si yan bo ye we gbe ya die do ye we ke na wa na e de ya gba ohun ya o wo ba ye mo o ye no dio na ti omo no nya na wo na yo kan no do ri oba we do no do ri egi we do o ki so yana wo ma yana gele ya de omo nya ri se do oni ai ti e ra mi nya o se do do o dan gbe yo bo ya o wa ya ma bi do pese o yi pe ayo ya o ya do ya mo be ri no ta o ye you ge ya ze bu ya ma e do ho ya do agwan ye ho na o je ge na ya wa ri wa na do mu egbe na ka mi yan ri wa o ikeke ro imutero obi de ala kiyan ke ba na we so ke ana we de ma so and you work kan ya no su se again you o se be re be do o be re bi godo e be na iye na e se wa de mu ona lo bi e o wi o pa no mose kakabo mose ona ti ye lo bi e de o ba ti wi ni o yibo eyin mi de láti ẹ ọ̀nà láti lóbìá ó pa ní ẹ̀rọ wá gbẹ lóbìá ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ́ yẹn náà pa òkú ó ní náà wà ọ̀nà wà hàn wà òkú náà wà gbẹ̀rà ẹ̀ ó pa ní. ọ̀gẹ́dà ká máa rí yẹn ọ̀bọ̀ ọ̀nà gèdè tó bíẹ́ ọ̀nà gèdè ká máa rí yẹn bíẹ́ yẹn gèlè bì yẹn ọ̀nà ọmọ yìí náà dùn wọ́n sọpọ̀ ọmọ ní máa gun wa ọmọ gun wa yìí náà dùn pẹ́ ìpín fi hàn pa náà pẹ́ ọ̀lẹ́ ẹ̀bẹ́ bò náà dùn pẹ́ náà rí igi ẹ̀ ọ̀nà dùn agbó ọ̀kan ní náà ayọ̀ bọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ìpín fi ni ẹ̀dọ́pá yìí náà dùn fi akú ẹ̀ mà gbẹ̀gẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ náà dùn fi akú àbàbà yóò tọ̀ wọ́n náà dùn zótú òtún ifá òtọ́pá àrùbọ̀ náà ado agbakwo ni ado afie so ya is the fiakwe on de ka ahwo pa ona fi egbe no ka bi fi egbe on na fiakwe so ni ma ya go be do e na de anything anyone ya igba ara ona agbakwo ni ateni metefio ya mo mebe ya no ukagbo me wa viakwo yi o ha na ro yi akwera kana awevano okpa afọ ahụ mo yi muso no ka yi o kwikwi o be no pa na ti no nekwi ni ha Rukegbo, I do view like the other 12, I do view. Oh, by the day, Kenny, and mammy, not by Mona and I wake one up. On a tell, you know, we walk high. He a winner, be a thing, but the hell of what get back. What you got? Then I come out with all the not to fear. On a good other. Oh, now get coin. Equivalent, not here, get out here getting, or why a coin. On a waff. Yeah. Backward. Bah! Ever get up with. Hey, baby. Baby. Oh, come. Then I'm going to let it. Again, you know what, Ben, you know what, when I was a woman car. Or woman can in yes, when I want. Only man do it a worker or woman car. To move by. How I got. Moving by. Man, do that at your money a worker. Okay, Kerry, yeah. Or you are one every young do Yahweh. Obavedo. Kago wodo. Do say a gay Canada, do say in a cana, or what a auto. You know, put on him, man. So what a auto. I go be so full, and I do me a well worker. A well worker. A girl a worker. Now, you laddie, my etio back any other, do say that I hear. Me a bit of head of time. Me to head of time. Okay, many guys, if you're on a gagba already. Okay, Kairi, if you should do soon, I can't do me where carry do I or Babedo. Okay, Kairi, and I mean where I do ask 1 year a gear. Okabe any waking. Man, do my city. Mamma Teva, not the more be ye, Namia with Manedo, Mado, where your year, don't go, Mayara Opa. Do said the nail you in my yeko, we, or you okani, or Maridian here. If you saw by of young baby Manedo, or I do here, or you all over one. I get a year very, or I get a year very. The Manedo, the Barant, a coin and Tinwa. The Maya being a champion of Saraba Monima. A boy on Yevid my ye. Una, there were on no kiso, young no kiso. Okay, no kisori. The Mata said, and then was happy die ho. Upon Salabaya the nail. Caladina, no yogiso, you ogiso, or full ogiso for 1 hour. My hand took her. Over here, on day. A day Friday, no day. Any Christmas Eve. Only if you put naked, you know, the boy are saucy. Noon dawning, my hand will my one of a day you put naked a day Friday, no day. What I hope. My hand one a day Friday, no day. Noon double man, you gammon. Ma make be saucy, ma are saucy. Zebo give me zebo hen, we don't go quarrel ni me. Mi boy aro, ni ado ya igwawana, but do a day Friday no day. Or do a day Wednesday, are about have go a day Wednesday. What help be that whole, that what you fed on it. So about no good, we so. Uji no mu yedogbe, eti no mu yedogbe, ewa no mu yedogbe, iwu bo no mu yedogbe, efi no mu yedogbe opologbe. Eke man kede ore, no ma e yakin. Eke man afia go boyo, ma emi anu ya bowa o. Eke man afia go boyo, ma emi anu ya bowa. Ewi no sunu, na na emi iti ma e yagbe, so alba anu ya bowa. La ho, ye tini ma ke yimire. Ni ma yo bo we ho. Ni ma ku kwa ye yo to ni ma te won ta ma gbe. Manedo wa pa. egivi kemi were gbe nwane do. Wede Jesu Christi egivi kemi were gbe nwane do. Wede Jesu Christi kakubugara to. Wede Jesu Christi ise. Wede Jesu Christi yata ise. Asofuro yeboba o. Ni ma leketi ma okpa. Egi ma igagbe la wo sadoba nudazi. Wo yagbon na. I mean, next the gwewu. If the gwewu ero. Ituti wewe dene. No di yobo na do. Yobo ni ma. Nse koko ni ma. Ma we do wa okpa. Ma edo pa edo no gagbe. Emi an. We ni Jesus Christ no be salobo. Ise. Oba ewa no redo ato ipewe kete. Re ga ma wa ga ma. Oye pe won doje. Oba yo lo boy fo. Ba to pe ise. Ma di pe won salobo ye. Egbe evian. Yobo no salobo ya unado. Ma we pe won salobo ni egbe ore oba. Egbe Kaladera. Yobo no salobo ya unado. Afiambe edo amie o is ofun egbe edo amie o is la oda edo amie o is edo koda o na egbe kodi eke is oba talk pe is edo wado wakoyo o wanere Patrick Osunde ko otena yo salobo Monday yourself get koyo. Anna came Biafra freedom or we corrupt history. Who said that? Biafra freedom. Kaladeran was the son from the second wife. Okay. Okay. You know that. That's good. You know, I'm glad you know that. But I don't know that. Okay. Ogiso Owodo. He had 3 sons, not one. So. Okay. If he had 3 sons, hello. If Ogiso Owodo had 3 sons, why did they do not make the second son or the third son to become Ogiso? As long as Kaladeran was no longer available. Mr. Biafra Freedom, I'm asking you, if Ogiso had 3 sons, why did they do not make one of the second son or the third son to become the Ogiso of the land? Why? Why did they have to go look for the one that was presumed to have died? Okay. Vian killed Osoga. He put the rod in the fire. Okay, that may be true. And that rod is what helped you to kill the Osoga. Okay, that may be correct. I don't know. Okay, we greet you, Viasoge, and Madeline Dongjewu, and Unwekpema. You are welcome to this show today. Okay, God bless you. Okay. Dongjewu say, where did you see Ikpigo? I don't know where they saw it. You have a story? I will give you a chance to tell the story another day. Adoge Debbie Obokan. Sayame say we Obokan. Mataline Dongjewu Wawakare Obota. Thank all of you who came for your contribution. By God's grace, in 2022, we're going to do what we did before. We're going to have a room discussion, and we are going to invite some of you who know stories to come and tell the story. I don't know what stories. In fact, they are not something that is not written down. It's hard for me to learn. Okay, I know very few stories. You might be blessed with that. You come and demonstrate the gift of God in your life to tell the story. Anybody at all. All right? Okay. Somebody said it's Biafra freedom. I don't know whether you are from Biafra or wherever you are from. God bless you. Okay. You come and use the spiritual gift that God gave you to bless people. All right? Because you are accountable for your spiritual gift. Everybody must account for the gift that God has given him or her. You hear me? So that time we expect you to come and tell stories. Okay. We thank God for you. Thank you for coming. God bless all of us. So we'll see you again on Wednesday by the grace of God. On Sunday, go to church and worship God. And give your life to Christ. Give your life to God. And be a blessing to our community. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. God bless you. Oba Tokwe, he said, Ohiakin, Usiel, Etusalobo. Bye bye. Well, wow, very many today. We thank God for you. God bless you all. Amen.